Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in last video we studied practice set 1.1. In this video we are going to study practice set 1.2. First question is, following table shows points on a number line. Here some points are given, A, B, C, D, E. These are points and their coordinates are given here down, their coordinates. Decide whether the pair of segments given below the table are congruent or not. Now here some segments are given, first seg DE and second AB. We have to decide that these two segments are congruent or not. Now when do we say two segments are congruent? If their lengths are equal, or if their distances are equal, distance between these 2 points are equal, then these two segments are congruent. It means that we have to find distance between these 2 points, or we can say we have to find their lengths. If their lengths are equal, then we can say these two segments are congruent. Now let's find the first pair, seg DE and seg AB. We have to find these are congruent or not, and for that we have to find their distances. Coordinate of point D is equal to, now coordinate of point D is given in the table -7. After that write DE, coordinate of point E. Coordinate of point E is given 9. Now find the distance between these 2 points. For that compare them. 9 is greater than -7, and therefore distance DE is equal to bigger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Bigger coordinate is 9, minus for subtraction, and smaller is -7. Now let's find the distance. Is equal to 9 minus plus 7. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 is the distance between points D and E. Now find for AB also. And coordinate of point A is, coordinate of point A is given in table -3. Coordinate of point B, coordinate of point B is given in the table 5. Compare them. 5 is greater than -3. Therefore distance between A and B is equal to 5 minus for subtraction, smaller -3. 5 minus plus 3 is equal to 8. Now see here, distance DE is 16 and distance AB is 8. These are not equal. Distances are not equal, and therefore these segments are not congruent. We can say here, therefore seg DE and seg AB are not congruent. We have to decide second pair is congruent or not. Pair is BC and AD. For that find their distances. Coordinate of point B is, now coordinate of point B is given 5. Now for C, coordinate of point C, coordinate of point C is given 2. Therefore here compare them. 5 is greater than 2. Therefore distance BC is equal to bigger coordinate 5 minus smaller 2, and distance is 3. Give here number 1. If we get second distance is also same, then they are congruent. If second distance is not 3, then not congruent. And find out second now. Coordinate of point A is, now coordinate of point A is given here in table -3. Coordinate of point D. Coordinate of point D is given in table -7. Both are negative, therefore -3 is greater than -7. Find distance. Distance AD is equal to smaller -3 for subtraction, greater -3, smaller for subtraction, smaller -7. -3 minus plus 7 is equal to 4. Number 2. BC 3, AD 4, not equal. That's why these are also not congruent. Therefore here seg BC and seg AD are not congruent. Second pair is also not congruent. Third pair, seg BE and seg AD. Let's find the distances. Coordinate of point B is, coordinate of point B is 5. Now for E, coordinate of point E that is given here 9. 9 is greater than 5. Therefore distance BE is equal to 9 minus 5 and its distance is 4. Give here number 1. Find distance of AD now, and coordinate of point A is -3. Coordinate of point D is given -7. Now in table these values are given. -3 is greater than -7. Therefore distance between point A and D is equal to -3 greater, minus for subtraction, -7 smaller, is equal to -3 minus plus 7 is equal to 4. Number 2. Now here you see BE is 4 and AD is also 4. Both distances are equal. Therefore here distance BE is equal to distance AD, and therefore we can say here, therefore seg BE and seg AD are congruent. Symbolically we can write here, that is seg BE is congruent seg AD. After question number 1, question number 2 is find point M is the midpoint of seg AB. Point M is midpoint. Now midpoint means what? Midpoint divide the segment into equal parts. Midpoint divide the segment into congruent parts. Means by the midpoint given segment will be divided into equal parts. M is midpoint. Seg AB is 8. Then find AM. Now in solution, let's draw rough figure, rough segment. Now this is segment AB and length of this AB is given 8. Here length is 8 here. M is midpoint. Midpoint lies exactly at the middle. M is midpoint, and because of this M, this AB is divided into equal parts. Now here AM and BM, these are two equal parts, congruent parts. M is midpoint. Here identical mark I showed. It means that M is midpoint. Now let's start the solution. Start from the given. Length AB is equal to 8. It is given. M is midpoint. M is the midpoint of seg AB. And as M is midpoint, we want AM. Length AM is equal to half of length AB. Because of midpoint, segment will be divided into two parts, means half. Half multiplied by, and length AB is equal to 8. If we reduce here by 2, 2 ones are 2 fours are, and therefore we get here length AM is equal to 4. Example number 3 is point P is the midpoint of CD here now. Again midpoint. CP is given 2.5, find CD. For that first find rough figure. Now here CD is the segment and P is midpoint of that. Here I do identical mark. Now length of CP is given, CP 2.5, and we want total length CD, and that will be double because here half distance is given. Length CP is equal to 2.5. Point P is midpoint. Point P is the midpoint of seg CD. Therefore length CD, now CD is the total length, total will be double. Therefore 2 multiplied by length CP is equal to 2 multiplied by CP is given 2.5, and therefore 2 into 2.5, that is 5. Therefore length CD is equal to here 5 units. Question number 4. Question number 4 is AB 5 cm, BP 2 cm, AP 3.4. Compare the segments. Compare means we have to write here which segment is greater, which segment is smaller. For that, write all lengths, all segments again. AB is equal to, now here AB is the largest distance. Therefore AB is equal to 5 cm. I write first. After that, smaller less than 5 is 3.4. Then AP is equal to 3.4 less than 5. And smallest distance is this 2, BP is equal to 2 cm. We wrote in this way. And therefore here AB, distance AB is less, distance AB is greater. AB is greater than AP is greater than BP. Therefore here AB is greater than AP and AP is greater than BP. And this is the comparison of these segments.